Hey guys, this is Saurav from AllAboutTechnologies, and in this video let's unbox and take a look at the Realme C12. Now this device is more or less similar to the C11, but there are quite a few upgrades here which we will see. But before that, let's take a look at the price on the box. So the price quoted here is 10,999, but I think they should price it at 8,500 rupees max. Now for the exact pricing, do check out the description box because I'm shooting this video before the launch, so I don't know the pricing, so do check that out. Anyways, taking a look at the specs mentioned on the rear side, it comes with the same 6.5-inch 720p display that we saw on the Realme C11, but the battery here is now 6000 mAh, so that's a nice upgrade. You also get one additional macro camera, fingerprint scanner and 3 GB of RAM on this device. Now there will be two color options for this device, which is blue and silver. Anyways, let's unbox and take a look at the device first. Alright, so opening up the box, first we have this packet which has a SIM tray removal pin and some documentations, but sadly there is no case included here. Next we have the device itself in blue color, and to be honest it looks good, but it does feel a bit heavy due to the 6000 mAh battery. Lastly, you get a 10-watt charger and a micro USB cable for charging. Now before I share my thoughts about this device, here is the list of specifications. It comes with Helio G35 processor, PowerVR GE8320 GPU, 3 GB of RAM with 32 GB of storage, 6.5-inch HD display, 6000 mAh battery, 13 megapixel primary camera with f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now for selfie, there is a 5 megapixel camera with f2.4 aperture. Now the Helio G35 processor present here is a very basic processor, and it surely can't handle games like PUBG. If we take a look at the settings, you just get smooth medium, which will give you max 30 FPS, and I did try playing on this device, and to be honest, my experience wasn't that great. So if gaming is your topmost priority, then you must check out Redmi 9 Prime or Realme C3, as they will perform much better in PUBG and overall gaming thanks to the G70 and G80 processors present on those two devices. And now since we are talking about the Redmi 9 Prime, it does offer Full HD display, which is obviously better than 720p display. And it also comes with better processor and 4 cameras at the price tag of 10,000 rupees. So if this one is priced anything above 8,500 rupees, then it will be a hard recommendation from my side. Anyways, moving on to the display, it's a 720p HD display. The brightness level is decent as the display doesn't get very bright, but the viewing angles are good. Now, which type of glass is being used here on top of the display, I'm not sure because that is not mentioned by Realme, so no idea about that. Speaker located at the bottom does get decently loud, so no complaints with that as of now. You also get triple SIM slots, so if you wish to expand, you can do that with a 256 GB SD card, as internally you just get 32 GB, which might not be sufficient for a lot of people. Now in terms of design, the C12 does look good in this geometric gradient design, and even the build quality is pretty solid. Now due to the 6000 mAh battery, the weight is about 209 grams, and as soon as you pick up the device, you will feel it. But to be honest, I don't mind that, as more battery is always better for me. The fingerprint scanner located at the back is not at the most comfortable position, as it is located slightly up, but in terms of performance, it is super fast. Even the face unlock works really well on this device, so no complaints with that. In terms of software, it comes with Realme UI 1.0, which is based on Android 10, and for the security patch, it comes with July security patch. Last but not the least, here are some of the pictures that I have clicked with the C12, so do let me know what do you guys feel about them in the comments section. Overall, it can be a good option for those who don't want to play games but want good battery life. That said, the price should be max 8,500. As anything above that, it will become difficult for me to recommend this, as Redmi 9 Prime offers much better specifications at the price tag of 10,000 rupees. Anyways, that's my take on the Realme C12. What do you guys feel about this device? Let me know that in the comment section. If you guys are interested in buying this device, then as always, link will be there in the description box. So do use my link, that will definitely help out the channel. If you found this video helpful, then please do give this video a like, because If you don't like this video, my video won't come on top, and YouTube just wants more likes so that they can recommend to more people. So if you found this video helpful, please do give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, then do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you get notified about more videos. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more updates. That's it guys, this is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching.